way she move that body, I swear I never seen nobody get that you want to party. Baby, won't you come my way? The way she move that body, get that you want to party. Swear I never seen nobody, maybe up until this day. Beautiful girl, my goddess. The way she built the shawty, but she closed the fortress.
Help me, guys. Bottle is inside my leg. Oh my god. Babe. Oh yeah. Wait. Don't do it like that. It's inside. If you do it like that, it's going to pain me. You're supposed to drag it out. And you have nails. Oh! Shit.
We saying things, and we barely talking. You be tiptoeing, ain't doing no walking. Meanwhile, I be saying things, we saying things.
I know that I look a hot mess, guys. Bear with me. My hair, I started listening it, but I'm not done yet. I have to step out now. I'm just going to grab coffee and just in between. Yeah, that's it. I've been trying to order, but since they will not come to me and the way my body is just dragging me for coffee, I need to do something about it. If you guys don't know, Philippines have this reoccurrence of, you know, natural disaster once in a while, from earthquakes to typhoons, name it, volcanoes, so many things, but
stuck in a memory that's not just my own. Crumbles that you left out. No, why you gotta go all left? No, maybe you should close your eyes so you can wake up. Oh, the snake shit is getting old. Presently memory backpacking. Oh, and time will tell is knocking at my door. Oh, you don't believe I tell you wake up. Oh, believe I tell you wake up. Oh, wake up. Oh, wake up. Oh, wake up. Oh, why you gotta go all left? Wake up. Oh, wake up. Oh, wake up. Oh, why you gotta go all left? Can't believe I tell you.
guys, there's currently typhoon going on for like a day or two now. Gosh, you guys see the weather, like, oh my goodness, this is so bad. Hi guys, so today is Monday. I think I mentioned in the beginning of this vlog. So I want to make some French toast and tea because of how the weather is. It looks like I'm sweating here, but that's because I'm just coming from outside. I also want to say thank you for you guys have received my shower routine video. You guys love it so much. Thank you. If you've not seen that video, I'll have it linked below so you can go check it out.
I know it's too cold. Oh, just look at everything I do. I'm suffocating myself. I'm not safe. Oh, I'm not safe. I'm lost at sea, drowning. Wake me up, help me. Must be something I can do. I'm driving around reckless, breaking rules. I don't care who knows. I just wanna be free. Oh, Sunset Boulevard, up and down the road, eyes on the sky, and I feel like I'm going insane. It's cold out here, just like my heart and soul. 깜빡해서 소소한 행복하지 못하던 날, 어릴 때도 힘들었고 난 그냥 아무 말 안 했잖아. 깜빡해서 난 누군지 제발 건드리지 마.
Whenever this bag comes out, you already know what time it is. It's time to go to the market. So I'm not going to the market in months. I'm going to the night market today because this man wants to eat fish. So his friend said it's by 1 a.m. that they should be open. So let's go and try our luck today. Today that there's typhoon, that he knows that people are going to be in their house cuddling their bestie and their living partners. It's when he wants to go to the market. But let's be going. We're going to the ATM, but it's not dispensing cash. So I don't know what the future of this outing is, but fingers crossed, baby. Let me give you story time. That's how we got into jeepney with no money. This man was saying he was going to pay jeepney driver 20 pesos with Gcash. I don't know how he was planning to do that, but at the end of the day, he wanted to do mago, but the jeepney people, they were not having it. So we ended up withdrawing money and we got to the market. Obviously, this is the first time I'm going to a 1 a.m. market in Manila. So yeah, it was a new experience for me. But I've done this in Cebu before. Yeah, I think I prefer coming by this time because nobody is touching me, nobody's body is touching me. But we came pretty early. We're supposed to go by 3 a.m. 4 a.m. So yeah, the fish we wanted to buy was not available. We bought some other stuff for the house. After we're done buying other stuff, we decided to go and buy meat, which is chicken and beef. And then I came across this guy, one of the guys that was working there. He was mesmerized by my beauty, he was falling in love with me. He was just looking at me and smiling sheepishly, and I was like, dude, are you feeling me? So yeah, that was it. And then we got into a tricycle and we went home. So as we're going, that's how this tricycle decided to stop. Me, I was even scared. I was like, come, Bia, you want to stop in the middle of nowhere? Is there no fuel or something? But at the end of the day, it was something you could figure out. And then we got home safely. So yeah, that's what happened in this night chronicles market. Night market chronicle that we embarked on. And did we get what we wanted? Partially, but yeah, we sorted out some of the other random stuff in the house. Subscribe. Hi guys, I just wanted to quickly update you guys on what's going on and everything. So I'm on my way to go do some documentation, get all my documents together so that tomorrow I can go to the immigration. So yeah, that's what's happening today.
No, I'm not a saint. Is anybody these days? Oh, I've been a liar. Pointed a finger when I started the fire. And I've never been one to pray. I hope for someone like you. After the hurt and the heartbreak, you made me believe in something new. Baby, like a sunrise, like Sunday faith washing over me. After the hardest night, you're giving me reason to believe it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot.
I'm on my way to the NBI with immigration. Yeah, that's what I'm doing today. I managed to finish the documentation yesterday, except one document. For some reason, it skipped my mind, so I'm going to quickly stop by and get it done before I move. Today is going to be a very, very busy day, and I hope I finish up all that is planned out today.
Since you became my religion, baby, like a sunrise, like Sunday faith washing over me after the hardest night. You're giving me reason to believe it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot. So amen and hallelujah, thanking God's above. And take me to church with your love. Take me to church with your love. You took me down to the river, gave me a new start. It's different now with no sinners, breaking my heart, and I don't feel the hurt I used to be made of. 'Cause you take me to church without you, love, yeah. Like Sunday faith washing over me after the hardest night. You give me reason to believe that it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot. So amen, hallelujah, thanking God's above. Take me to church with your love. Take me to church, take me to church, take me to church with your love. Take me to church, put me down to the river, give me a new start. It's different now, no sinners, breaking my heart. Been going since you became my religion, baby, like a sunrise, like Sunday faith washing over me after the